Issues with your smart thermostat? We get it. Here are some tips to help. Hi, I'm Brent with Western Heating+Air+Plumbing. A smart thermostat can be a great addition to your home, like this one, the Nest, the Infinity Touch, or my personal favorite, the ecobee 6. These thermostats have a lot of great features, like the ability to control them just with your voice or mobilely with your phone. This can be a really beneficial feature, especially if you travel a lot, or if you're like me and you want to control the thermostat laying in the comfort of your own bed. A smart thermostat can also benefit you financially with features like the occupancy sensor or ability to turn up or down the temperature remotely. If you find yourself having any issues with your smart thermostat, here's a list of things that might help. Because of the extra features of the smart thermostat, it draws a little bit of extra electricity than a regular thermostat. First, check to make sure that the power is on to your equipment. Then, check to make sure your common or C wire is hooked up to the smart thermostat base. Next, if you're having a connectivity issue, check to make sure that the distance to the wireless router is not too far. Try moving the wireless router closer or disconnecting and reconnecting again. Another common problem is that wires have been crossed during the installation process of the thermostat. If you find that your heat turns on when you're trying to run your air conditioning, or if the fan is running constantly, this is a perfect reason to reach out to the experts at Western Heating+Air+Plumbing. We solve this problem nearly every day, so please give us a call. We'd love to help.